The Smile That Lingers. It happened on a quiet evening in a small town near my friend's house. We had stopped at a cozy little cafe, the kind that smelled like freshly brewed coffee and warm pastries. I wasn't expecting anything special, just a simple meal and good conversation. But then I saw her. She wasn't like anyone I had ever seen before. Her charm was effortless, her beauty soft and natural. But what truly caught my heart was her innocent smile, pure, warm, and full of kindness. She moved gracefully between tables, serving customers with a gentle voice and a bright energy that lit up the room. When she came to our table, my heart raced. She placed the food in front of us and smiled, her eyes twinkling like morning sunshine. At that moment, I felt something deep. I wanted to know her, to talk to her, to understand the world behind that beautiful smile. But then I learned the truth. She's married, my friend told me one evening, as if it was just another fact. But for me, it felt like a quiet storm in my heart. My hope crumbled in an instant. I had built silent dreams in my mind, but now they meant nothing. She was never meant to be mine. Still, I didn't regret anything. I never spoke of my feelings, never crossed any lines. I simply accepted the reality and let it settle in my heart. But some faces, some smiles never fade. She remains in my mind, not as a lost love, but as a beautiful memory, one that I will cherish forever.